Hey y'all, welcome to this week's vlog. It's Thursday. It's like 5:45, 5:48 actually, and I just got home from my friend's house, and I have my godson's basketball banquet that starts at 6. So I really need to get my life together. I literally just walked into my home 5 minutes ago. I had to potty and I'm starting this vlog. I need to like do something to my hair. Oh, I need to work on that vlog too. Either way, I did my hair on like Saturday. Was it Saturday? I think it was Saturday. I haven't done anything else to it. So I just want to give it like a little stretch because I don't like this right here. Let me do that and then I can be on my way out the door. Maybe we'll talk later. But hey y'all, I just wanted to start this. Y'all know I like to start on Thursdays. Okay, I'm back just to show y'all the difference. Oh my God, I have to go. Okay, it's 5:52. Refresh my face with this Evian facial spray. Let me find my keys and I'm out the door for real this time, y'all. Oh. Hey guys, it's Friday. It's 12:33 and I just clocked out of work for now. Hold on, let me grab some shoes. Oh, where are my shoes? Okay, shoes are on. Y'all see how tired I am? Y'all probably don't see it. Oh, that's what I was looking for. We're about to go to Target and we are going to treat ourselves to some things. So my friend has inspired me to really dive into this fitness and I'm gonna do it for real this time. So, oh, this got $15 on it? I just found a Target gift card. So, I need to replace my AirPods because they were stolen. And hopefully I can get reimbursed for that. But for now, I saw some on sale at Target that I really liked. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get them because they said there were only 2 pair left. And so if I get there and they don't have them, it just was not meant to be. But I am about to add this $15 gift card to my wallet because I already have a $10 coupon on here. So that's already going to save me like $25. Ain't got good all the time. So yeah, we are going to go to Target. And they also have like some things that I need on sale. Like they got Red Band pizzas, 3 for $11. And if you know me, that's right up my alley. I might need to go ahead and get 6 of them. So I will have them for 2 weeks. That actually really might be the move. So I also am starving and it has just been a week. So I'm also gonna get Olive Garden while I'm out. You may have remembered, I actually don't even know if I posted these vlogs, but like for 2 weeks, I went to the grocery store and I got like frozen food and I lasted 2 weeks without eating out. So we're gonna try that again, except like today, I gotta eat out. So, all right, let's go. Cause I really just wanna come back home and take a nap. Okay, so I'm at Olive Garden waiting on my food. Y'all, I couldn't even get my headphones because it was an online only deal. So once I realized that, I tried to like place a pickup order and was like fingers crossed it would be ready by the time I left Target. It wasn't. So, and I wasn't gonna pay full price. Like that's the thing, because they're regular like $3.50, I think. So yeah, no, I wasn't gonna pay full price. And I want what I want. They had Beats on sale, the Beats headphones, but I didn't want those. Like, I had already made my mind up and watched videos on the Sony ones. So I'm just gonna have to go back later and pick them up. I did get some other things at Target. I stopped filming once I realized I wasn't gonna get my headphones. I got too much at Target. I mean, but I had my gift card and my sale, so it is what it is. I'm about to go home and eat, thank the Lord, and I'll check in a little bit. It's 9:20, Saturday morning. Y'all, I still haven't put my stuff up from Target yesterday, but I also was going to return my Kilian's Sun-Kissed Goddess, and I've missed the return date. So that's how my weekend is going. This was supposed to be my day of rot, where I was doing absolutely nothing. I just wanted to be on my couch, but I don't think we're gonna do that. So I did go to Publix this morning. I got 2 bags, like not even like full bags of stuff from Publix, and it was $40. It's just like, my goodness, when is this gonna end? But I did get like meats, like bacon, sausage, and chicken. Bow, 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 bow. Get 'em sexy, get 'em sexy. But still, I don't feel like that was $40 worth of stuff. Like, what else did I get? So also while I was out, I didn't tell y'all this, but my headphones were ready for pickup as soon as I pulled in and parked at home yesterday. And I was just like, did I have groceries? I had groceries that I needed to put up. And I was just like, I'm not turning around and going back. Because I had my food, I had my dinner, my lunch from Olive Garden. Dang, I didn't come back and say nothing else to y'all. Anyways, got my headphones, and what I think I'm about to do is I'm about to charge them and maybe get like an hour workout in, like maybe from like 10 to 11, and then come back, get dressed, and there's a little festival going on downtown, and there's a food truck that my mom likes, so we might go there just for the food truck. And I want to go see my auntie and things like that. So I'm gonna let these charge for the next like 30 minutes, and yeah, then we're gonna go to the gym. I've seen some workouts that I want to do, and there was a guy in there, but I don't care. Like, I'm gonna do this workout. Also, I don't think I mentioned this yesterday, but I did get those Shea Moisture products from Ulta. That's how we started today. I was gonna wash my hair today, but I'll just do that tomorrow, because tomorrow will most likely be my for real day of rot. So yeah, all right, let me get this together and I'll check back in a little bit. I did it, y'all. I did it. I found me a little workout on TikTok, and I did like a, it's my mama, hold on. Hey. Hi, mommy. She just called me. Like, I just got off the phone with her. Well, I've been to the gym, and I'm just gonna eat me a little something. I was gonna shower and just come to your house by 12. Really? Yeah. I thought you weren't going. Well, I decided I want to try that chicken. Didn't they have a chicken fajita? Okay, so yes, I worked out. I did a little 30-minute arm workout. And so now I'm about to make me a protein iced coffee. We're gonna see how this goes. I didn't have any espresso, so I just took one of my little K-cups and I just did 4 ounces over some ice. And I'm gonna try it with this vanilla core power. I have never in my life tasted these. They say they taste great. I believe I saw Faye say that she likes them. So we're gonna see. Like, I'm diving all in on this fitness journey. Like, I just cannot believe how inspired I am right now. Just gonna add half of this to my coffee. Oh, that's very light skin. We're not gonna do half. Oh no, I don't really like light skin coffee. This is very light skin. Let me find a straw and put this in the refrigerator. Not bad. I can drink that. Y'all, I'm becoming a whole person right before your very eyes. I can't believe it. So what I'm gonna do is, it's 11:04. I'm gonna fix my little peanut butter toast, shower, and then go to my mom's. And apparently my auntie is coming down and we're gonna go to a little festival downtown. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all, I really didn't do anything yesterday, so I didn't turn my camera on, but we do have to talk about my Saturday night. Look at this hair. I washed my hair yesterday. That's all I'm gonna say about it. I washed my hair yesterday, but it's Monday morning, and y'all, guess what time it is? I've been up. My first alarm went off at 4:30, but I just couldn't do it. But it's, y'all see that? Y'all know what that means. I'm about to go work out. I got my clothes on, wiping my face down with my Bioderm, and I gotta go so I can come back and be ready to work and shower and all that good stuff. So, y'all, this wash and go is terrible. I did a video on it. It's linked in the description box because I'm sure it's out by now, but Fred is really giving Fred today. It's too early. Okay, let's put the phone in the pocket. But y'all know what this means, right? Hold on. Y'all know this means that, like, now I gotta go on Amazon and order some more workout clothes. Right? Like, that's the only thing that I can do at this point. That's gonna be my motivation to keep going. Right? Oh, this hair. Okay. I need a jacket because I feel like it's a little chilly because it's mad early. But y'all are coming with me because I know it ain't gonna be nobody else in there. So let's go. guys, so I'm back home. I've showered. I'm going to start my work day, and I'm just gonna make my little iced coffee. I think I'm gonna have to just get some espresso instead of this mocha almond latte that I like so much. It's a lot of flavors going on with the vanilla, but I'm gonna drink it until this is gone. So we'll see how that goes next time. So let's recap this weekend. Saturday night, y'all saw me, like, I was trying to get dressed, but I had a little date Saturday night, and they were actually on time, and I just wasn't expecting that. So, you know, vlog got cut short a little bit right there. We had a good time. We went out to dinner, and then we went out to like a cigar bar, so that was cool. Y'all know that I wanted Saturday to be my day of ride, like do nothing. Well, that ended up being yesterday. That ended up being Sunday. I was a couch potato. I watched Greenleaf and basketball. Played on FanDuel and all that good stuff all day on Sunday. Oh, and I did wash my hair. So technically I recorded a video. Of course I didn't edit it, but I did that entire video. And then I went to bed at 8:30, knocked out, because I knew I wanted to get up and go to the gym, but I was genuinely tired. I think I was just drained, like mentally and emotionally, just because of how the weekend went. But all in all, I had a pretty good weekend. I'm really proud of myself for getting up and going and working out this morning. I actually woke up at 3 o'clock this morning. So I slept from about 8:30 to about 3, we'll say 3:30. So technically, I had already gotten like 7 hours of sleep at that point. So it should be no surprise that I was like up at 4:30. But then I was just like, I can't do this. I can't be this girly. I can't get up at 4:30 and be ready for the gym by 5. Like, no, that's not me. But I finally got up at like 5 o'clock. And I did it. So I just have to kick myself in the butt. Start a new routine. Like, get out of my comfort zone and like excel to the next level. Cause like I could be, not saying I'm bad, I know, but I really have to start like getting on myself to be better, because I want to reach my full potential, but I also like to rest. So I'll definitely be continuing this throughout the week. So definitely come back and see how I do in next week's vlog. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to get this Monday morning work day started. I don't usually drink coffee this early, but since I've been up for almost 2-3 hours, it's like perfect timing. Oh, I also made my little kale bites. I made those yesterday. Kale, my egg muffins, kind of, because it ain't really got a lot of kale in there. So I'm about to heat one of these up, take my vitamins and medications, and yeah. See you guys really soon.